Hello students, in this video I will teach you how to create a database in MS Access. MS Access means Microsoft Access. Okay, first you will click on the start button, then you will click on the all program option. Okay, after that you will click on the Microsoft Office package and then find Microsoft Office Access. Okay, when you click on it, the database will open. Okay, now to create a database, first you will click on the blank database option. Okay, click here on blank database option. After that it will ask for a name to save your database. Okay, then you will write the name of your database. Okay, so I'm going to write Sacred Heart School. Clear? That is the database name of. Okay, this database. Now click on the create option. After that it will create. Is that clear? You can edit the table in a database in two views. First view is called dataset view and second view is called design view. By default you can see a dataset view. Okay, this view is called dataset view. Okay, but you can also edit the tables in a design view. For this you will click on this option. Look here, this one is design view and that one is a dataset view. When you click on the design view, then it will ask for to save the name. Okay, if you save your table with this name table 1, then click on the OK button, then design view will open. Okay, so this view is called design view. Okay, and the second one is called dataset view. Again, if you want to switch, then click on the dataset view option, then dataset view will open. Clear? Now that is a process to create a database. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to create a first table in your database. First you will click on the create option, then you will click on the table option. Okay, after that it will ask for saving your table name. Right click on it and then click on the save option. Then this dialog box will open in front of you. Here you will write the table name. What? Students record. Okay, you can see students record. Now click on the OK button, then your student records will create. This table has created. You can see the list of the tables student records. After that, if you want to open this one in a design view, right click on it and choose design view option. Now you can see this view is open. Okay, after that you can create the field of this table. Now in this table I want to create some fields. First, student ID. Okay, STD in short form and ID. Okay, now click on the data type. It will be text. Next, student name, then write the name field is only name. Okay, clear? And then name will be text. Okay, because text or data type can store both type of value, alphabet value and numeric value. Okay, now next one, marks of few subject like maths. So it will be what? text? No, it will be number. Now science, it will be also number. And now English, because you will store your marks in number format, so data type should be number. Okay, after that click on the right and choose save option, so it will be saved. Okay, now I'm going to enter the few records of the students, so you will choose a design view. By default, when you click on the open button, then dataset view will open. Okay, so you will open dataset view for entering the records of the students. In design view, you will edit the field name and their data types, and in design view you will enter the records of the student. Got it? In design view you will change the properties of the data. Properties of the data means you can change the name of the field and you can change the property of the field. Property of the field means you can change the type of the data and some extra things that I will tell you in other video. Okay, and second, you will enter the value. So if you want to enter the value, you will choose a dataset view. How? Right click on the table and click on the open button. By default, when you click on the open button, a dataset view will be open. Okay, now the first record is student 001. Okay, the name of that student is Akash. Okay, the marks 89, science marks 88, and maths English marks 78. Now the second record, student 002, the marks is 98. Wait. First we write the name. Priya. Okay, the marks is 98. Okay, next marks is in science field 89 and in English 92. Okay, so here I have entered records of 2 students. You can enter many records, so this is your homework. You will enter at least 10 records. Clear? Got it?